To switch between Google Assistant and Gemini on Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we need to find the apps section, then go to the three dots in the top right corner of the screen and go to other settings, where inside you can find default apps. On the bottom there's Assistant Voice and Input, and in Digital Assistant app make sure that you have selected Google. When this is done, we can go back to the main settings page and then go down to the Google. Click on it, go to all services, scroll down and look for Search Assistant and Voice. Now inside I will need to provide it with my password. I have the app lock active. We can find both Google Assistant and Gemini. Now select whichever one you want to use. In this case we can go for the Gemini, and after that we'll get a brief setup for Gemini and we can use it. Now Gemini should be active, and you can always confirm which one is active by going down in its specific settings and Digital Assistant from Google. Here you can see that Gemini is active and Google Assistant is not. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.